Oh my god, holy shit. The S23 Ultra has just given me a warning not to charge. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and today's video will be a crazy one because I'm going to be freezing the S23 Ultra and testing this out in an extreme cold condition whether it's going to survive or not. It's going to be a crazy level test, so bear with me at the end of the video. So guys, here we are in the kitchen and the water is already placed in that particular box. It's not going to be much of water in here, so what I'm going to do is fill the tub with some more water and then I'm going to place that in the freezer. Now I'm going to pour all the water in here as you can see and putting that in the freezer and giving you an idea how the device is going to be freezing, and it will be lasted here for at least 4 hours. So guys, here I have put the device in the freezer and the battery of that particular device is about 50%. I'm not seeing clearly in here, but it will be around 51 or 52% in here. So let's wait for half an hour and see how the device is going to be reacting in that particular time. So bye bye S23 Ultra, meet you in half an hour. So guys, here I have my iPhone 12. Let's open up the clock and start the timer in the stopwatch and calculate how much time we are going to be putting the S23 Ultra in the freezer. After half an hour we will check out what the situation is going to be. So guys, here we are at the half an hour and let's see how the S23 Ultra has reacted. It will survive 1.5 meter in the 30 minutes time frame. Now looking at the S23 Ultra in the freezer, it's looking great. There is not much of a worry about that. So let's wait for 4 hours and see how the device is going to be react. Now guys, here are the 4 hours and the device has been completely frozen as you can see in the box. The ice on the top of the box is going to be not as much strong as it has been at the end. So let's see how can we take out that particular device. So guys, here we are outside and let's see how this device is going to grab some ice out of here. Let's see. Okay, here is the device and boy, look at that. Look at that. I just need to grab something to make it pop out from the box. You can see. Oh. So let's see. There's another layer in here, I guess. So I need to bring the device back to life. See how it has. Oh my god. It's too cold. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Okay. It's hot water right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. The ice is melting right now and yeah, oh my god, look at that device. It's still running like a new one as you can see. Let me turn the water off and I guess there is no icing here. Okay guys, I have cleaned the device and everything is working fine. As you can see, the touch is working fine and there is nothing shown on the screen as well. Even the camera sensors are going to be pretty much great. Let's look at the camera sensors of that particular device. Can take the picture quite easily and there is nothing in the camera sensor as well. So guys, let's test out the microphone and the video recording of the S23 Ultra, and as you can see, I have recorded a few lines you can hear now. Test out, so let's see how it's going. Hearing after the S23 Ultra mic, there is some kind of water in there. It's not sounding great. So let's test out the speaker and see how the quality is gonna be. So guys, the speakers are great. There is no difference in the speakers. I guess they are purely water resistant right now. So guys, the final thing we are going to be testing in here is the charging of the S23 Ultra and see how it's performing. And as you can see, it's giving me an error that there is kind of a moisture inside the charging and the speaker grill. So don't use the charger right now and maybe wait for a couple of hours and then use it. Now another thing that I forgot to mention in here is about the S Pen that is coming in the S23 Ultra, and it's also having some water in there. As you can see, there are some droplets or on the surface. So basically the S Pen area has also some water drops in here. After a few minutes I have plugged in the charger again and it's not giving us the warning anymore, and it's charging the device quite easily. So guys, that is the end of the speed test. Everything is working fine. I was really nervous before the test, but it's performed really great, and the durability of the S23 Ultra is amazing. The speaker, the microphone, the cameras, and even the charging port are working fine. There is no error in there. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Some other amazing content is coming for the S23 Ultra. Do check out my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.